Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have another bump box to unbox for you guys. I got my second bump box in the mail and I wanted to just show you what came in this one. I'm sorry about the lighting. It is like rainy and gloomy out today, so I'm filming in front of a window and it's not the best lighting, so please forgive me, but I just wanted to show you what I got in my bump box, and if you want to see what I got, then just keep watching. If you don't know what a bump box is, I mean, I would assume you do because you're on this video, but if by chance you don't, oh hey Rocky, hey buddy, what is it? I think he wants to go outside. I'm gonna have to pause this because I'm filming in front of my front door and I think he wants to go out, so go figure as soon as I start filming. So it is raining, so he won't go out, so of course he's just gonna stand there like, I don't know what to do. Yeah, I'm talking about you. I'm talking about you. What? You want to be in the video? Yeah? As I'm on the floor, he thinks it's playtime. Okay, let's go ahead and get into this box. Anyway, what I was saying, a bump box is, it's just a subscription box for pregnant women. So if you're pregnant or know someone who is, this is a really fun gift idea. I asked my husband for this for one of my Christmas gifts. So I will get one box each month during my pregnancy. And of course, you know, if something happens, you can cancel the subscription at any time. So yeah, but he went ahead and paid for the full 9 months, so I will get 9 months worth of bump boxes to share with you guys. So if you want to see more unboxings, then just like and subscribe down below and hit the notification bell. I'm out of breath. I get out of breath so easily when I'm pregnant, so let me just go ahead and get into this. Okay, so the first thing I'm pulling out is by, a little dusty, by Glow Organics 9. I think it's dusty because it comes with this paper stuff that I can't stand. But this is Relieve Plus Organic Foot and Hand Scrub, Organic Peppermint and Fair Trade Sugar. This is 8 ounces. Gorgeous on the outside, healthy on the inside. Massage in a circular motion to relieve swollen, achy hands and feet. Excuse me, I'm a little congested. Rinse after the sugar melts the pain away. And it says it's formulated for pregnancy, organic, vegan, and cruelty-free. No sulfates, synthetics, phthalates, or parabens. The next thing I'm pulling out is Morning Sickness Relief Sparkling Mama Fizz Elixir, Raspberry and Mint, Dietary Supplement Powder, flavored with natural raspberry and mint extracts. Helps maintain energy, caffeine, and dye-free. And there are 3.33 ounce packets in here. And it's just a little drink mix that you can put in your bottled water or in a glass of water. And it's supposed to taste like raspberry and mint and supposed to help relieve morning sickness. It says dissolve, sip, soothe, and sparkle. Dissolve in any 6 to 8 ounce beverage. Drink up to 4 servings per day, or by advice from physician. Can be taken before or during onset of nausea. These statements have not been evaluated by the Food and Drug Administration. Product is not intended to diagnose, treat, or cure to prevent any disease. And this is their social media down here. You can see that, their Instagram, Facebook, and website if you'd like to order some. I have not tried this yet, but I've definitely had some morning sickness. I'm still dealing with it. I'm 13 weeks today and I'm still dealing with morning sickness, and it's not just in the mornings. So let's see if I can get this open to show you the packets. Okay. There's 3 of these in here. I'm excited to try this today because if it works, I will be ordering more for sure. I have been trying the, what's it called? Earth Mama tea, morning sickness tea or something. I don't know. I'll show that in an upcoming update video. They always send you, well, in both of the boxes I've gotten so far, they've sent a little snack. The first snack I got was really good. It was like a Rice Krispie with cinnamon. It was good. This is Saltylicious Almond Love. True Women. Yeah, it's a protein bar. So it's a little protein bar. It says no gluten, no sugar, alcohols, no dairy, no soy, 100% plant fueled. It's 1.7 ounces. Simply made with almonds, chocolate, sea salt, cassava flour, and no junk. Certified vegan, certified gluten-free, no dairy, no soy, no sugar, alcohol. Plant-fueled protein bar, and then it's got the nutrition facts. On there, it is 190 calories in one bar. So this could give you a little boost of energy if you're feeling hungry on the go. Something to throw in your bag just to have something, because when you're pregnant and you get hungry, like as soon as you get hungry, you're like, I've got to, or at least for me, like I have to eat right then or I will start feeling sick or start feeling weak. So it's nice to have things like this on hand. Next thing I'm pulling out is interesting. This is also dusty from the little paper shreds. Nutra-Pre Prenatal Vitamin Alkaline Water Beverage. So you can find this at nutrapre.com. It is a BPA free bottle, no and non-toxic plastic, no phthalates, made in the USA, and it just has purified water, potassium. Okay, I'm not gonna read all that. But this basically is like vitamin water, like a prenatal vitamin water. This is 16.9 fluid ounces, and it has vitamin C, thiamine, riboflavin, vitamin B6, which can help with morning sickness as well, folate, vitamin B12, biotin, and iodine. So I will be drinking this today and trying this out. It's pretty cool, and it's in a cute little pink bottle. And then here I have another dusty bottle. Okay, it says Feel and Fly as a Mother. I don't know if you can see it, but it says Feel and Fly as a Mother, Bump Life. And this is just a big water bottle. It is BPA free. And when you're pregnant, it is very important to stay hydrated. I have to do better. I stay thirsty. I do not drink enough water. I'm trying to do better. Maybe something like this will help me. Fingers crossed. But I do need to really try to do better and drink more water, because I've always struggled with that. The next thing in here, this says My Pregnancy Journal by Pearhead, the same brand that sent the little baby bump stickers, like weekly stickers. Okay, this is a nice little leather book, and you can put your ultrasound picture in there. So cute. This is something I wish I had done with the girls. So, oh my gosh, this is so cute. It's not even like a little, like I thought it would just be blank pages to journal in, but it has like in the beginning, the big news, first doctor visit, first trimester, second trimester, third trimester planning, and the big arrival. This is so neat. And it's got like little card holder, like pockets. This is adorable. This is a great gift right here. As long as I can remember. I mean, I still haven't completely filled out my kids' baby books, and one's soon to be 11 and one is almost 4. So I really got to do better about tracking these things, but this is pretty neat right here. And then they always stick a few other things in there, like coupons and things. This, okay, never mind, that's something else. I had free print from Parabo Press. Free 8x10 photo print shipped free to your door. Order your free print through May 31st, 2019. So, yeah, obviously the baby won't be here by then, but I can print any other picture, I guess, through them and get a free 8x10 fine art print. That's cool. And it has like all the instructions on how to do that. It says life is blooming, and then this is just the card that tells you how much each thing in the box costs, so you'll know how much your box is worth. The boxes are about $40 a month, I believe. There are coupon codes out there and things. I'll try to see if I have one and link it below, or if they sent my husband a coupon code that you can use. This box was worth $60.91. Hashtag BUMPBOXES. BUMPBOXES exclusive 15% off any product on our shop page, code SHOP15. So the alkaline water is worth $4. The Flies and Mother water bottle is worth $14. The hand and foot scrub was $20. Pregnancy journal is $17, and the fizz elixir is $6. And they never do really, they haven't included the little snacks in the pricing, so I'm not sure how much those are, but that is another thing that comes in the boxes, and you get like these little coupon codes and things, so it makes the box worth even more in my opinion. I'm a customer of Mother's Lounge, wholesale mother and baby product distribution. Enjoy these special offers from these great brands. So I've got a ton of offers in here. Let's see. Is coupon for kidsbooksdeals.com. This is several coupons for several different baby related things, like nursing covers, cloth diapers, pregnancy pillows, slings, kids clothing, nursing pillows, baby leggings, and custom pacifiers, and custom baby shoes. So lots of coupons here that are big coupons. This is $40, $50, $60, $35, so that's cool. And then this one is for Infamil, which I'll be breastfeeding, but I did supplement with formula, but I go with organic formula, so I probably won't need this. But this is an Infamil, I'm not sure what it is. Join now and get some belly badges. I'm not sure. Complete the registration. I don't know. Some kind of Infamil registration, but I'm not sure, you know, what you get with it. But anyway, so that is everything for this month's bump box. I hope you enjoyed this, and if you want to get your own bump box, I will leave their website linked below. And if my husband has a coupon code, because he did order this for me, I will link it below as well. This is not sponsored. There may be a referral link, but again, I'm not even sure of that yet. So if there is, I'll leave it linked below. If it's a referral link, my husband will get a little commission if you order through that link. But as of right now, I don't even know if there's a referral link. Hopefully there is. Most of the time when you order things like this, nowadays, especially with social media influencers really helping these businesses out by pretty much free advertising, they can, you know, give out referral links left and right, no problem. But again, I don't know if there's one yet, but check the description box if you're interested, and you can get your own bump box. Or if you know someone who's expecting, this is a really great gift. You don't have to get all 9 months. You can pay monthly, or you can get like 3 months worth, or 6 months worth, or 9 months worth. So yeah, but this is a really great little thing to get each month, especially when you're pregnant and you're feeling, when I'm pregnant, I don't feel my best. So it's really nice to get a little something, a little pick-me-up, a little something to help these, something to look forward to when you're pregnant. So yeah. Anyway, I thank you all so much for watching. I love you, and Jesus loves you too. Please don't forget to like and subscribe down below. And yeah, I hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye.